Lesson: Regulatory and Ethical Considerations in Emerging Technologies. Regulatory and ethical considerations in emerging technologies represent a critically important domain within the fields of blockchain and artificial intelligence. As these technologies continue to develop rapidly, they pose unique challenges and opportunities that require individuals to not only understand the current landscape, but also to anticipate future trends and issues. Professionals engaged in blockchain and AI risk management must be equipped with actionable insights, practical tools, and robust frameworks to navigate these complexities effectively. The integration of blockchain and AI technologies into various sectors has highlighted the importance of establishing comprehensive regulatory frameworks. These frameworks are essential for mitigating risks associated with privacy, security, and ethical considerations. For example, blockchain's decentralized nature presents unique challenges for regulatory bodies that are used to overseeing centralized entities. A practical tool for addressing these challenges is the use of regulatory sandboxes. Regulatory sandboxes provide a controlled environment where businesses can test their products under regulatory supervision. This allows for innovation while ensuring compliance with existing legal frameworks. A case study from the UK Financial Conduct Authority demonstrates the effectiveness of regulatory sandboxes in fostering innovation while ensuring consumer protection. In addition to regulatory sandboxes, the implementation of ethical guidelines is crucial for mitigating risks associated with AI. The European Commission has proposed ethical guidelines for trustworthy AI, which include principles such as transparency, accountability, and human oversight. These guidelines serve as a framework for organizations to evaluate the ethical implications of their AI systems. For instance, Google's AI principles emphasize the importance of fairness and non-discrimination, which are critical in avoiding biases that can arise in AI decision-making processes. Understanding privacy and data protection is another significant aspect of regulatory and ethical considerations in emerging technologies. The General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union provides a robust framework for data protection and privacy, setting a high standard globally. Organizations leveraging blockchain and AI must ensure compliance with GDPR by implementing privacy-enhancing technologies such as differential privacy and secure multi-party computation. These technologies help in protecting individual data while enabling valuable insights to be derived from large datasets. An example of differential privacy in action is Apple's use of this technique to enhance user privacy in its data collection processes. The ethical implications of AI and blockchain also extend to societal impacts, such as job displacement and inequality. AI's ability to automate tasks traditionally performed by humans raises concerns about job loss and the need for workforce reskilling. A report by McKinsey Global Institute suggests that up to 375 million workers may need to switch occupational categories due to automation by 2030. Organizations must develop strategies for workforce transition, including training and education programs that equip workers with skills relevant to the digital economy. Blockchain can play a role in this transition by providing verifiable credentials and secure platforms for learning and development. To address these challenges, risk management professionals must adopt a proactive approach to regulatory and ethical considerations. One effective framework is the Responsible Innovation Framework, which emphasizes anticipation, reflection, inclusion, and responsiveness. By anticipating potential risks and reflecting on the broader implications of their innovations, organizations can develop more responsible technologies. Inclusion ensures that diverse perspectives are considered, while responsiveness entails adapting to new information and changing circumstances. Collaboration among stakeholders is also essential for addressing regulatory and ethical challenges in emerging technologies. Public-private partnerships can facilitate the development of standards and best practices that align with societal values and regulatory requirements. For instance, the Partnership on AI, a multi-stakeholder organization, brings together academia, industry, and civil society to foster responsible AI development. Such collaborations help build trust and accountability in AI systems, promoting their acceptance and integration into society. In conclusion, the regulatory and ethical considerations in blockchain and AI require a multifaceted approach that combines regulatory compliance, ethical guidelines, privacy protection, societal impact assessment, and stakeholder collaboration. Professionals in this field must leverage practical tools and frameworks to address these challenges effectively. Regulatory sandboxes, ethical guidelines, privacy-enhancing technologies, workforce transition strategies, and the responsible innovation framework are all valuable resources for navigating the complexities of emerging technologies. By adopting these approaches, organizations can not only mitigate risks, but also harness the full potential of blockchain and AI in a responsible and sustainable manner.